I work for Atkins Realis. I work in Birmingham in the Bridges and Civils team. So day to day I can do a load of different things. I could be doing calculations, I could be doing designs and drawings. I try and get out on site as much as possible. That's kind of where my passions lay, so I'll go and inspect bridges. But at the minute I'm on secondment, so I work on Hinkley Point C, doing something a little bit different to bridges. I do roads and networks. I chose to do a degree apprenticeship mainly because I wanted to get some work experience. I'm also neurodivergent, so standard academia doesn't normally work very well for me. I prefer to kind of do the hands-on and get involved in things. There was a bit of apprehension. There's a lot of stereotypes around apprenticeships of the apprentice makes the cups of tea or goes and does the printing. That is by far from what happens. I've never been asked to go and do that. I'm treated as an engineer. I do the same work as a lot of my colleagues. I'll even do the same work as graduates now, 4 years in. You get loads of hands-on work experience, and at the end of that degree, you've got 5 years you can say you've worked in industry, which will really, really set you apart from graduates or other people who are going for the same job as you. What I do at work massively kind of links into what I do at university. A lot of the subjects have been chosen by the employers that use this programme to make sure that we're learning what we need for our careers. So there's a lot of assurance there that what you're learning is actually necessary. So everything I've learned in structures, I've used in bridge design. All those bits of maths that you think you'll never need at school, they're actually quite useful, and I use those every day.